Hey guys, welcome to Online Money Gold. So today in this video, I'll be talking about how to make money by shopping online. So if you are a frequent shopper and if you love shopping online, so make sure you're going to make money from that. Now it's not just spending money in online portals, shopping your love things. It's not like that. You will be making money. So make sure you stay till the end and watch the video to know how to make money online. So this is the website guys, it is shopback.com. So I'll leave the link of this website below in the description box as usual. So if you are interested, you can go there, sign up and make money now. Now, talking about it. Now, if you are a frequent shopper and you love shopping online in some of the portals like Lazada, Shopee, Zalora, Agoda, so Sephora, so some of these things or like like where people usually used to shop and usually used to spend money on that. So if you are one of those persons and if you love to make money from that by spending, so here you have. Now here in Shopback, when you are like using your money to get something that you love, you will be getting cash rebates. So most importantly, this is for majorly for Philippines people. So if you are one of them and if you stay there and if you reside there, then you have to try this one. So if you are shopping from Shopee or Lazada, then make sure you earn cash rebates. So these cash rebates might be very little in the starting, like it will be depending upon how much you are spending. So it will be like proportionate to that. So you will be making money from it. Now the major question that comes up for each and every individual, like even including me, how this shop back is earning. Now, first of all, like how you are making cash rewards, same time the shop back will be like like they will be partnering up with Shopee, Lazada, Airbnb and all those websites, AirAsia and something like these companies. They will be partnering up and they will be getting commissions for every accepted or every approved sale from people. So you are going to shop from their website, you will be using Shopback, so you will be shopping through them. Say for example, you have your Shopback account and you are booking a AirAsia ticket from them, and see, you are making a sale from Shopback. So it's like they promoting AirAsia and they are making sale for it. So by this way, they are getting a commission. Now we'll be seeing this in more detail in the second part of the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Now talking about the commissioning, Shopback will be getting commission from all the partnered sites like trip.com, Airbnb, all these websites and all these companies will be giving them commission for all the approved online purchase from Shopback, and you will be getting a part from the commission. So that is how Shopback is making money. They will be keeping some of the commission amount for themselves and they will be sharing that amount with you. Now that is how Shopback is earning. And if you are from these countries, you can make money from Shopback. So I'm going to tell you all the list of countries that you can check whether you are staying there to apply for here for Shopback. You can create account right away now. If you are from Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Philippines, Taiwan, Thailand, Australia, New Zealand, Vietnam, Korea, you can make money from Shopback because they will be asking you to enter your phone number to create an account. So it's very important that you stay within these countries. I am from India, so I won't be able to log into these websites. So I'm really sorry guys, because I'm not able to log in and show you how the dashboard will work and how you can make money. But from all my research and how I have seen others making money, so I was able to like verify that this one is a legit one. You can make money for sure. Say who don't like getting cash rebates for shopping online. Yeah, right. So that is how my idea was. So I think this will be a great opportunity for you guys to save money and same time, like make money for spending. That's a great option that I think that I can share with you. So this is a short video showing you guys how you can make money online with these websites. So yeah guys, so make sure you use this shop bag if you are in any one of these countries that I have told you. I'll be leaving these list of countries, approved countries, in the description box below. If you are from one of those countries, make sure you check it out and start signing up right away now to make money online. So that's all about the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. That will be a great motivation for me to make more videos. And if you have any other recommendations, or if you want me to make any other reviews or videos related to making money online, you can leave it in the comments below and I will be making a video on that soon. So that's all about it, guys. We'll meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.